Hey guys, in this video I'm doing something very untraditional. What's traditional for Christmas, but not traditional to do a makeup look? It may be, I don't know. This particular collaboration, the ugly sweater inspired makeup look, is inspired by Belle Memory. I'll have her handle on the screen. She posted a look on Instagram inspired by an ugly sweater, and this is my take on it. This video is also a collaboration with two of my friends, Amanda and Ray. I'll have both of their channels on screen as well as links in the information box where you can check their looks out. If you guys would like to see ugly sweater collaboration on my video, keep watching. So I actually have no idea where I'm gonna go with this, but we're going to wing it. I think that's kind of the whole purpose of an ugly Christmas sweater generally. It's supposed to be ugly. So this is going to be very random. I don't have anything on my face except skincare. By the way, skincare video is coming soon. I know some of you requested it. I didn't even do my brows because I don't know what I'm going to do with those either. So literally nothing is on my face except moisturizer and serum and eye cream. Sorry. Stop. I believe I'm going to start with my nose. I thought I would do a Christmas tree on the nose. I don't know how this is going to work once again. This is my Snazzaroo face paint palette. Got this a couple months ago around Halloween time. I'm gonna do a Christmas tree on my nose. I'm just gonna do it. I mean, the color I'm gonna use for is the green in the palette, this one here. And I love this because you can wet it and it dries right back. FedEx is outside. Are they here for me? I don't think so. Not this time. Okay. Just kidding. Oh God. Okay, so here's a tip. I do not go out there when I'm out there. They have this trafficking thing going on. And you just never know. So I'm gonna wait until you drive off before I go retrieve my package. Okay, as I was mentioning, I'm using this green in the palette. This one. I have my water handy. I'm just gonna wet it and start drawing a Christmas tree. If you get one of these palettes, be sure to keep these little plastic things that come off the paint, because that's what you're going to want to stick back on here, and it's going to pretty much dry it back into place. So don't chunk these. Even though it looks tempting, don't do it. So to draw this on my face, using this brush from P. Louise, it's one of their angled brushes. You can use anything you have really. For a detailed look, you just want to use really sharp brushes. So I'm going to spray this down. I'm going to try my best to draw this. So I think how I'm going to do it, my lips, it's going to be the bottom of the tree. We're going to see how this works. It's working in my mind right now, but I have no idea how it's going to actually work. Okay, my Christmas tree is gonna look deformed. I just realized I made a mistake. It doesn't come out this far, so good thing is we can clean this up if it's not dried. So work fast. You can also use micellar cleansing water if it does dry up. Okay, I'm actually gonna draw it in like this. I don't know why I attempted this, because I suck at drawing Christmas trees on paper, so. But I like to do crazy things. Okay, so now I'm going to do the bottom of the tree, and it's going to be curved at the bottom of my lip. So. Now I'm going to fill the Christmas tree in. You could definitely use, I'm going to use the same brush just because I'm not for washing all those brushes. This is where you can fix your lines if you messed up. You're just gonna fine tune everything as much as you can. Now I'm gonna clean my brush out to the best of my ability and take some yellow now and put a star at the top. You could also use a different brush. I'm taking the yellow now in the palette. This one. Gonna try to draw a star. I'm even worse at drawing that, so we're gonna find out how this comes out. I'm gonna kind of cheat my way and draw this like during the 5, like the doo 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 doo, and then fill it in. Fill that. That'll be easier. I could do that part, I think. And I mixed some green with it by accident. My brush wasn't clean. screwed up already. It wouldn't be a tree without a little stem at the bottom, so I'm gonna do that. Don't have a brown. I think red and black make brown. I'm not gonna use paint. I think I'm gonna use eyeliner. So I'm done with paint for now, unless I figure out something else to do with my eyebrows later. But for my eyebrow, or for the little stem at the bottom, I'm just gonna use eyeliner. I'm using Fine Wine. I know it's untraditional. This is from Marc Jacobs, and it needs to be sharpened, but it's like a dark red-ish burgundy. And I realize this is like non-traditional. Stems are usually brown, but this is an ugly Christmas sweater look. So therefore, it's gonna be ugly. And this doesn't sharpen. I obviously have not used it in a while. It twists up, so completely scratch what I said about sharpening. If you do that, you'll ruin your pencil, like I almost did. I'm going kind of low with it because I have a bigger lower lip, so it kind of hangs over. And if I do it too short, you won't be able to see it. Sorry guys, I'm like over here trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of the face. Okay, so while I'm like trying to think about all of that, I'm gonna take some rhinestones. I got these from Amazon. Packaging is not the best because it arrived to me open, even though they had it kind of taped shut. The rhinestones are everywhere in the package. So I just threw those away because I didn't have time to pick through all those rhinestones, you know, to figure out which one I wanted. So I'm gonna experiment with different colors here. I'm decorating my tree now. It's gonna serve as like little tiny ornaments and sparkle. And I'm using also some Duo lash adhesive. This lash glue in general works best for rhinestone application. So just keep that in mind. I'm just gonna use this little plastic thing I have going on here to brush some lash adhesive on. You could definitely use the squeeze tube kind. It's probably easiest actually. I'm using the end of a brush to apply it. So you want to get some glue on there first and then dip it into the rhinestone and then put it wherever you want. I wish I had bigger rhinestones, but I thought these were bigger when I ordered them, but they were not. So I'm gonna try a different technique. I'm gonna put some dots of glue in the areas where I'm putting the rhinestones. Maybe that'll make this quicker. I'm gonna put one more red one at the top, then I'm moving on to gold. This is like a nightmare, guys. These smaller rhinestones. If you do this, use big ones. I feel like I don't have enough rhinestones. I'm gonna continue. I think our Christmas tree's complete. Now I need to figure out what else I'm gonna do, like seriously, because I can't just do this and nothing else. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows like normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in. This is the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in brunette, by the way. I'm gonna take the opposite end and just brush the hairs through. And the opposite end is just a spoolie. Okay, so on this, or one of these eyes, maybe on this one, I think I'm gonna do a Santa hat. I don't know why I'm even doing this, because I cannot draw. That's exactly what I'm doing. Just to take myself out of my comfort zone. Only way I'm gonna get better at doing it is if I do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm taking the red in my paint palette that I was using earlier. There's only one red in there. I'm taking another stiff brush. This is also from P. Louise. That's their flat one. Gonna kind of do it sideways so it's not straight on. So I was gonna do that, but I changed my mind. This side is much easier for me to draw things on. I'm gonna fill it in now. Now I'm going to draw on the white, and I'm using a different brush. I'm going to do the circle before I destroy the brush too much. I got some of the red into the white. I'm going to take some black now and go around the trimmings so that it looks like a Santa hat, and it'll just make it pop more, the lines and stuff. Taking the NYX Epic ink liner in black believe this will work. We'll see. And the whole time this stuff lasted, I didn't have to do anything. Like, it just kept coming out. I'm not gonna do anything with this eye, obviously. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one now. I kind of just, let's just keep this look. I'm gonna keep this look simple beside. I'm also gonna try again on this white and try to get rid of the pink or the red that's in it, that's causing it to look pink. I think I want to do glitter on top of the red hat, so I'm gonna do that. I'm taking this from EK Eye Candy Cosmetics. Thank God that was on there because I had no idea what it was. This is called Cherry Bomb, and it's just a red glitter. I'm just gonna take some e.l.f. glitter primer and brush this lightly over the Santa hat. So I'm gonna get some into my lid. I'm gonna take some primer onto my finger actually. I feel like that'll be easier. And as you can see, it works well with paint. Just try not to go back and forth over it too many times. Okay, now I'm gonna hurry and take the glitter. I put a little primer on the brush too. So I'm brushing this on top. And it's a really fine glitter too, so that's something you don't have to worry about. I had to just throw glitter in there somewhere. Somewhere, I had to. Now I'm going to do the other side as normal. Taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to put some foundation on. And for this, I'm using a stick only because I feel like it would be easier. So I'm using a ColourPop No Filter Sticks in Dark 167W. To blend it out, I'm just taking flat foundation brush. It's going to be really easy. Much easier to get around those corners that I need to. Going over the eye too. Going into the eye too to conceal. I'm not going to brighten since that's not really the look I'm going for. I am going to put some mascara on. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. I'm gonna put some lashes on. I'm gonna put on some crazy ones because I normally don't wear crazy lashes anymore. I used to. These are the Red Cherry 418s. I've been saving, no, 118s, I'm sorry. I've been saving lashes like these for things like this. So I'm excited to put these on. Now these may be really long, but they're not thick. So they're not gonna look crazy, but they're gonna look crazy. Now y'all probably think I'm done. I am not. I'm gonna put, actually, I was gonna put blush on, but I think that it's not a good idea. You can, but I think I'm gonna leave like the face stuff alone and move on to something else that I'm very excited to do. So I found these beard mints on Amazon, and I was like, if they can stain a beard, they can stain my natural hair. Like around the rim. So I'm gonna do something crazy. I don't know how this is gonna work. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it right back off. But like I said, this is an ugly Christmas sweater look, so I'm gonna make it ugly. So it comes with all these different Christmassy colors: gold, red, green. So I'm just gonna clip them into my natural hair, and they are clip-on, so you don't have to worry about tying them in or anything like that. Oh yes, this is so cute. Look at it. Y'all probably don't think so, but I like it. And it's so easy to stick. Be careful. You can get a little tangled. It doesn't hurt though. Gosh, I look crazy. So, I'm crazy. Y'all know that by now. I'm gonna try to clip one in my nose. Ah! That hurts. Bad idea. I think I'm gonna take the rest of the ornaments and just clip in my hair some kind of way. I only have 5. I want to use them all. This is so awesome. Like, great idea. I'm in luck. If you guys enjoyed this look and my version of an ugly Christmas sweater inspired makeup look, please don't forget to check out Ray and Amanda's looks I'll have both of their videos at the end of the video you can click and go to, as well as both of them linked below. If you're not subscribed to both of them, please subscribe because they are both hilarious. Please subscribe to me if you have not. Also rate the video if you liked it. Hopefully you did. If you didn't, I mean, dislike it, I guess. Turn your post notifications on so you see next time I post something. I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.